So at the very first, we have to go for the half subtractor. So I will just explain it very quickly with you. So we have to first draw the truth table. So the truth table is nothing but a this way we can say that. So this is the first is for the subtraction. If it is the half subtractor, it is working for the 2 bit. You have to remember it is working for the 2 bit. So basically it is nothing but a we have choose that a b, and there is the subtraction. We have to see the difference, and there is the borrow. So at the very first, we have to put the 0 0 position value, 0 1 position value, and the 1 0 position value, and the 1 1 position value. So can anyone say what is the if you go for the subtraction, what is the difference for them? 0 0.
0 and 0. Difference will be 0 and borrow will also be 0.
Okay. Can anyone say what is for 0 1? 0 minus 1?
I guess 1 and 0.
Sir, 1 1, I think.
No. 0 minus 1. I will just explain with
0
you.
minus 1.
0 minus 1.
It will be 1 and borrow 1.
No, you are subtracting the 0 to minus 1. That means the borrow is the minus 1. Sorry, borrow is the 1 and this difference is the 0. Because if you go for the 2's complement plus 1, so you can say that there is the same value. Just 2's complement of 1 is the
I guess difference will be 1.
difference should be
Borrow
1.
will be 1
Okay.
for sure, but difference will
Yes,
also
yes.
be 1.
Yes, yes. You are right. You are right. Yes. Next, we have to discuss for the 1 minus 0.
It will
Sir,
be 1
1
and 0.
0.
1 0. Can anyone say what is for the 0 1 1?
0 0.
0 0.
0. So I hope you understand the difference of this particular is that 0 1 1 0 and the borrow is nothing but a 0 1 double 0. So we just going for the 0 double 1 0. So can you remember it is same as which which gate, which basic gates? It is same as,
Zor.
so it is same as the XOR gate. So can we go for the next part for the borrow? It is for the which one? There is nothing basic gates is come in your mind. So we have to go for the Carnot map for this part. I will just explain the Carnot map and later on I think Uttam sir will explain the what is the Carnot map, how it is working. So I will just go for the Carnot map. For the Carnot map, we have to just create one table, 2 cross 2 table. So here we have to choose that each and every data item. So there is the A, and actually we have to use this thing as a, there is the A and there is the option of the B. So we just put the first position is as a 0 and the next position is 1. Again for the same way there is the another value is 0. Another value is the 0 and this one is 1. So the first point we have to say that the first point is depends upon the 0 0. Second point is depends upon the 0 1. We just fill it up, and third one is the 1 0, and the last one is the comply with the 1 1. So you can easily identify that for the 0 0 position, we are writing that A bar and B bar. So not of A and not of B dot not of B. Again, we have to go for the 0 1, that is represent as 0 is for the A part, so not of A dot B. Again, we have to go for the 1 0 part, that is represent is 1 is available for the A, so we have to write that A dot not of B. Again, we have to write for 1 1, it is represented as the not of A, sorry, just A dot B. I hope you understand that. It is clear to all of you
Yes,
how it
sir.
is come? If we put the value is 0, on that time we have to write the not of this value. Suppose there is 0 0, so we write the not of A, not of B. We have the 0 1, we can write the not of A, and 1 is available, so we just put the A. Again for the 1 0, 1 is available, so we have to write the A. But where is the 0? 0 means we have to write the not of B. And 1 1, it is the A and B both are the 1, that is we are writing that without any not. It is clear, Shomadip?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have to go for the in this part. Now our question is come in this part for the borrow. For the borrow purpose, you can see that there is only one is available in this particular position. So this is working for 0 1 position. So who are the 0 1? This is the 0 1. So what are the expression is coming for? Not of A dot B. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Tomodeep Mitro, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the expression for the XOR gate? What are the expression for the XOR gate?
A XOR B equals to A bar B plus AB bar.
So A XOR B means A. We just use the XOR operation. Just I will just XOR operation. A XOR B, and for the next part we have to go for the this is for the this one. And how can we represent the borrow? We can represent the borrow as the not of A dot B. We just represent the borrow as a not of A dot B. I think it is clear to all of you. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to implement first is A or B, and the second we have to going to implement not of A dot B. So I will just go to the logarithm software, and you can see that we have to collect the there is the we have to use the two input. First is as a input A, second as a input B. So we just choose that as a this is a input A and this is for the input B, and we just connect them with the first is XOR operation. So we just use the XOR gate. This is for the two and just connect it. I hope you know how this connection is done, and give some output, and this output port is this one. So we can say this value is called the difference. Now we have to go for the borrow part.
सर ये तो और गेट है.
क्या और गेट है ना? Sorry, it's mine. We have just go to the XOR gate. I will just go to the XOR gate. Yes, yes, you are right.
Sir, plugin ठीक ठाक है नहीं.
Yes, 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 I know, I know. Just give me just. So I think this is the XOR gate. So it is right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next we have to go for the implement not of A dot B. Not of A dot B. So how can we implement in the logarithm software? So we just implement one not gate for the A. We just connect them. So not of A. So we can say here, I will just explain with you. This is the not of A. So this is the not of A. So there is come, and we have the expression not of A dot B. Dot B means we just need one AND gate. We just need one AND gate. So we just put the another AND gate is here. So this AND gate is connected to the two number of this is connected to the bits is for the two. There is some mistake. I will just connect again. AND gate is there. That should be the two. Sorry, this is goes for the two. So I just connect it, and next is for the NAND, not of A and B. So this is not of A and B, and there are the result is come. So we just put the result. This is the we can just run this and check that again. 1 1. This is the 0 0 0 1. That is the 1 1. Yes, you are correct. 1 0. That is the 1 0 is the 1 0. Yes, you can check that. This is the basically circuit of the half adder. Here we are going to implement the half adder. So this is the difference, and this is the borrow.
Sir, half subtracted na?
Oh, sorry, I am doing again mistake. Half subtracted. So I hope it is clear to all of you, and I am requesting to all of you, please implement it in your machine. Now, open your laptop or desktop and try to implement. Take time, but try to implement in your machine.
ট্রুথ টেবিল এখানে কি করে দেখাবো?
You can see in the truth table for the project analyze circuit. Okay, you can see the truth table.
ওকে স্যার।
If you go for the expression, this is the XOR gate expression for X, and this is the Y. This is the expression of the ball.
মিনিমাইজড এ যান স্যার, কে ম্যাপও দিয়ে দেবে।
This yes, you are right. This K map is also given. So I am requesting to all of you, please implement